Welcome back to Fox Tech. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to restrict someone from changing the passcode on your iPhone. This is an important topic, especially if you want to ensure that your device remains secure and that only you have control over its settings. Let's dive into it and explore the steps you can take to achieve this. First and foremost, it's crucial to understand that changing the passcode on your device is only possible if the person attempting to do so already knows your current passcode. Therefore, the best advice I can give is to keep your current passcode as secure as possible. One effective way to do this is by setting a strong and complex passcode. When creating a passcode, aim for something that is not only difficult to guess, but also challenging to observe if someone is trying to look over your shoulder. A good strategy is to use a combination of numbers, letters, and special characters. Ideally, your passcode should be 10-12 characters long. This length ensures that the full keyboard is used, making shoulder surfing much harder for potential thieves. Now, you might be thinking that a long and complex passcode is difficult to remember. However, creating something memorable isn't as hard as it seems. Think of a phrase or a series of words that mean something to you, and then incorporate numbers and special characters. Memorable passcode. Just make sure to keep a copy of it somewhere secure offline, like in a locked drawer or a secure note, for those who are used to the convenience of a 4-digit numeric code. It's important to weigh the convenience against the security risks. If convenience matters more to you than your own security and all that comes from a breached phone, you might want to reconsider your priorities. Remember, the greatest weakness in all security systems is often the user themselves and their behavior. Only you can manage and improve that. In summary, while you cannot prevent someone who knows your current passcode from changing it, you can make it much harder for them to learn it in the first place. Use a strong, complex passcode, keep it secure, and be mindful of how you handle your device. By taking these steps, you'll enhance the security of your iPhone and maintain control over its settings. Thanks for watching today's video. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to Fox Tech and giving this video a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more content like this. Peace.